Hi, I'm Jason, Sales Manager here at Roywood Transits. Today I do the sales walk around video for you for the Ford Tourneo Allied Independence Custom behind me. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, November 19 on a 69 plate, Ford Tourneo Custom, Allied Independence, it's the RS model. Short wheelbase, finished in the very popular diffused silver. 25,000 miles. It's 2 litre Euro 6, so ULEZ compliant for you. It's the 6-speed automatic, so automatic. 6-seater plus rear wheelchair ramp access. Dual side doors, tailgate. 6-month warranty. Wet belt's been replaced recently by us here as well. Second row seats are removable and also conferenceable, so they can face forwards or backwards. Bifold ramp, soft start winch. Heater in the back, aircon in the roof, privacy glass with blinds on each of the windows as well for you. Seats fold forward as you see here. They're in the forward facing position at the moment, but you can conference them, so turn them round face backwards, so then the wheelchair occupant in the third row is more inclusive for the travel. Electric windows, mirrors, auto headlights, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth control with dashboard computer control, volume with volume with cruise control and speed limiter, auto, heated outside passenger seat, heated driver's seat, aircon, heated windscreen, heated mirrors. Plug your smartphone into the dashboard, the USB port, 8-inch touchscreen mirrors your phone, so CarPlay or Android Auto. Maps and bits and pieces come up, smart option. Pop the key in for you. So, there we are, 25,172 on the miles. If you'd like any more details, or you'd like to book a viewing, demonstration or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office please, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for your interest, thanks for watching, take care.